Professionals all over the world, like yourself, has got a habit of grouping themselves together in professional societies. You've got the Engineering Society and the Chartered Accountant Society and the Truck Driver Society. There's not a specific profession on earth that doesn't have its society. Now, what is the purpose of a society such as this? It is to do your profession better, but also there's a second purpose, and that is to help people to not only be so embedded in their profession and forgetting that they must also have a life. It is one thing to make money, but it's the next thing to have a life while doing it. And therefore, all professional societies in the world has got this as a task. And most professional societies have all the skills and all the programs to take their members to the next level of skill in their specific profession, whether it's the medical association or whatever society you have. But where are the programs that actually do the second aspect? And this is to help them to have a life while doing that. Hi, I'm Gustav Gous. I was also the president of a professional society, actually the past president of the Professional Speakers Association of South Africa, and also the past president of the Professional Speakers Association of Namibia. What was our purpose? To help people to speak better, to make a better business out of their skill, but also to have a life while doing it. Because what's the use that you win the world and lose your soul, that you make the money but you don't have a life? And therefore, the purpose is to be fantastic in your skill, but also to get a life. Now, how do you do that? The thing is, you need a specific intervention. And this is what I would like to invite you to. I developed a program to help people to actually have an integrated life plan. Be a super professional, but also have a life plan. And in one of the societies, I presented this to many professional societies, whether it was SAICA, SAIMA, SAIPA, whichever Chartered Accountant Society it was. In one of the SAICA seminars, one person said, this Get a Life intervention was the best non-skill related intervention, professional skill related intervention that they ever did. And this was helping them to have a life while doing your profession. For people in the professional bodies, here is a workshop to bring your members to. For people in those professions, come and sit for one day and get a life plan connected to your business plan. And that life plan can up your happiness rating in life so much, not only your income, but your real fulfillment in life, of having a full, purposeful life integrated with your profession. So people from professional societies belonging to professions, you're welcome. Book one day. Book tables of 10. Come and allow me to take you through this process to have a life while making a living.